What's the meaning of cauliflower cheese? Cauliflower cheese. Cauliflower cheese.
Cauliflower cheese. Cauliflower cheese. Cauliflower cheese is a dish that consists of cooked cauliflower florets covered in a creamy cheese sauce and baked until golden and bubbling. The result is a delicious and satisfying side dish that's rich, creamy, and full of flavor. The cheese sauce adds a tangy and savory flavor to the tender cauliflower, creating a perfect balance of textures and tastes. This dish is often served as a comfort food and is enjoyed by both children and adults. Overall, it's a creamy and cheesy delight that's sure to please any fan of cauliflower or cheese.